Good morning, student of class 12. Today we'll just do the continuation of the coordination compound, and we will discuss about the nomenclature. That means to say we are just going to give the names of coordination compounds. Okay, and there are certain rules in the nomenclature of coordination compound, but we will do not follow them. We will do it directly. Okay, so now going to start. Before that, when we talk about the coordination compound, this is the example of coordination compound actually. Okay, now this is inside the bracket we already discussed that this is the coordinate entity, and this is a counter ion. Okay, there are two parts in a coordination compound. Similarly, in the case of ionic compounds, there are two parts, one is cation and one is anion. Okay, similarly here this coordinate entity is positively charged, that is it will be take part as a cation, and this counter ion is acting as a anion. That's why we are just going to discuss about the nomenclature of cationic species. Cationic species, the charge come on the this coordinate entity is positive, that's why it is a cationic species. Okay, now how to write the name of the compounds? Just start. Suppose that this is a coordination compound in which there are two parts, coordinate entity and the counter ion. Okay, now firstly counter ion is going to divide in two part and firstly name the ligands. सबसे पहले हमें coordinate entity में ये देखना है मेटल को छोड़ के कितने ligands हैं. Okay, firstly we will name the ligands. Firstly we will name the ligands. And in that case also, suppose that there are certain different ligands also used in this coordination compound, so we will do the we will follow the order of alphabet. Okay, now suppose that the ligands are too much more or different ligands are there, so going to be named alphabetically for the heteroleptic concept. Heteroleptic means when we are using ligand one another. Okay, now firstly we will name the coordinate entity, and coordinate entity में भी किसको ligand को नेम लिखना है, ligand का भी नेम लिखना है किससे, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के साथ. सपोज दैट हम बात करें अब काउंटर आयन की, तो पहला नाम आपको किसके स्टार्ट करना है, लिगेंड्स के साथ. देन सेकेंडली नेम सेंट्रल मेटल एटम फॉलोड बाय ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इन द ब्रैकेट्स. जो भी इसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर होगा सेंट्रल मेटल एटम का, उसको हम लोग ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. ओके, इन द केस ऑफ लिगेंड्स, सपोज दैट सिमिलर लिगेंड्स आर यूजिंग ट्वाइस थ्राइस. ओके, सो व्हाट द प्रीफिक्स वी विल यूज इन द नॉमेनक्लेचर, इफ देयर आर two ligands are present in a coordination compound, we will use the prefix that is bi, or we can say di. Bi and di means two. Okay, suppose that there are three ligands in the coordination compound, we will use the tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, and so on. Okay, so this is the main starting of the nomenclature of coordination compound. Okay, firstly we will name the coordinate entity. Inside the coordinate entity we will use the ligand for the nomenclature, and ligands will be right in the order of alphabets. Okay, with the counting also, I hope you will understand this lecture. Okay, thank you class.